Well, I always say that our events are like a Monty Python sketch, and today I've really come out the way to be somewhere where there was a Monty Python sketch.
Follow! But follow only if ye be men of valor, for the entrance to this cave is guarded by a creature so foul, so cruel, that no man yet has fought with it and lived. Bones of full 50 men lie strewn about its lair. So, brave knights, if you do doubt your courage or your strength, come no further, for death awaits you all with nasty big pointy teeth.
What an eccentric performance.
Not too sure if everybody will get it, but if you were on the quest for the Holy Grail, you would come to the cave of
Caer Banog.
Behold the cave of Caer Banog.
Right. Keep me covered. What with? Well, just keep me covered.
Too late. There he is.
Where?
There.
What, behind the rabbit?
It is the rabbit.
You silly sod!
What?
You got us all worked up!
Well, that's no ordinary rabbit. That's the most foul, cruel, and bad-tempered rodent you ever set eyes on.
You tit! I saw my arm and I was so scared.
Look, that rabbit's got a vicious streak a mile wide. It's a killer.
Get stuff.
He'll do you a treat, mate.
Oh, yeah? Manky Scots git.
I'm warning you.
What's he do? Nibble your bum?
He's got huge, sharp... he can leap about. Look at the bones.
and there used to be a very nasty rabbit lived here. It had long teeth and it could leap, and very funny scene in the Monty Python and the Holy Grail films.
Go on, boys, chop its head off.
Right, silly little bleeder. One rabbit stew coming right up. Look! Jesus Christ! I warned you.
I've done it again.
I warned you, but did you listen to me? Oh, no, you knew it all, didn't you? Oh, it's just a harmless little bunny, isn't it? Well, it's always the same. I always tell them,
shut up!
do they listen to me?
Right.
Oh, no.
The location is the Tom Hathershank Copper Mine in Perthshire in Scotland.
So I'm not quite sure how I managed to find out about this. Well, it must be about a year ago I found out where this was, and I finally got here this afternoon. But it's bloody killed me coming up that hill, but I've found it. So yeah, Monty Python, Holy Grail, and the cave of
Caer Banog.